In a small village surrounded by hills, there lived a boy named Raj. He was not the strongest, not the smartest, and not the richest. He was hardworking and full of dreams. He had one big dream. He wanted to become someone who could change his family's life. But no matter how hard he tried, success seemed far away. Raj's father was a daily wage worker. Some days there was work. Some days there wasn't. Electricity often went off at night. While other children complained, Raj would quietly light a small oil lamp and continue studying. One night, a heavy storm hit the village. Strong winds blew, rain poured like buckets, and the power went off again. Raj's small lamp kept flickering. The wind tried to put it out. His mother said, "Raj, stop studying. It's too difficult today." But he smiled and replied, "Mom, if this small lamp can fight the wind, I can fight my problems." He placed his books around the lamp to protect the flame. That night he studied harder than ever. Years passed. Raj faced many failures. He failed his first competitive exam. He failed his second attempt too. Villagers started whispering, maybe he is not capable. Even his friends gave up and chose easier paths. One day, he felt broken. He looked at the same old lamp on his table and remembered that stormy night. He thought the wind was strong, the rain was heavy, the darkness was everywhere. Yet the lamp survived. Why? Because someone protected it. Because it refused to give up. That day he realized something powerful. Success is not about never facing storms. It is about protecting your flame during the storm. Instead of feeling ashamed of his failures, Raj changed his mindset. He stopped saying, "Why is this happening to me?" He started asking, "What is this teaching me?" He prepared well for the exam, but he failed his third attempt too. Feeling frustrated, he visited his grandfather, who was an old gardener in his village. He asked, "Why do I work so hard but see no results? Others seem to grow faster than me." His grandfather smiled and took him to a small patch of soil. "There," he said, pointing at the ground. Raj looked confused. "There's nothing there." The grandfather said, "I planted a bamboo seed 5 years ago. Every day I water it. Every day I care for it. But for years, nothing grows above the soil." Raj looked shocked. 5 years? And nothing? Grandfather nodded, yes. But underneath the soil, the bamboo is growing strong roots. When it finally grows, it will shoot up taller than all the other plants in just a few weeks. He continued, "If the bamboo tried to grow tall without strong roots, it would fall in the first storm. The years of waiting are not wasted. They are preparation." Those words stayed in Raj's heart. He realized his struggles were building his strength. His failures were deepening his understanding. His patience was strengthening his character. Just because nothing was visible didn't mean nothing was happening. Raj stopped comparing himself to others. He stopped rushing his journey. Instead, he focused. He analyzed his mistakes. He improved his weak subjects. He created a strict routine. He reduced distractions. He worked silently. 1 year later, he attempted the exam again. This time he passed. Not only did he pass, he secured a top rank. The same villagers who once doubted him now celebrated him. But Raj knew something important. It was not the exam that changed his life. He succeeded, not overnight, but through years of invisible effort. Just like bamboo, once he started growing, he rose quickly and steadily. People said he became successful so suddenly. But Raj knew the truth. There is no such thing as sudden success. There is only unseen preparation. Life lesson. Storms are temporary. Your determination can be permanent. Failure is not the opposite of success. It is part of success. Protect your inner flame, your dream, your hope, your belief. Hard days build strong people. Remember this. A small lamp can defeat a room full of darkness. And you are much stronger than a lamp. Whenever life feels difficult, ask yourself, am I going to let the wind win? Or am I going to protect my flame? Your future is not decided by your problems. It is decided by your persistence. If you feel stuck right now, if you feel like nothing is changing, remember the bamboo. Maybe your roots are growing. Maybe life is preparing you for something bigger. Your time will come. Keep watering your dream. Keep showing up. Keep believing. Because when you rise, You will rise strong, steady, and unstoppable.